Light moves as a wave, and what do we call the distance between the peaks in the waves? The Greek letter lambda indicates this. You could probably say the distance between the troughs in the waves as well. What is this called? In the Beer-Lambert law, what does capital A represent? The extinction coefficient is represented by what Greek letter? Can you read that? By the way, its units are 1 divided by molarity multiplied by 1 divided by centimeters, so that it will cancel with this and make absorbance a unitless number. This concentration in moles per liter is represented by this symbol in the Beer-Lambert law equation. And the path length in centimeters is plugged in for this value in the Beer-Lambert law. I believe in our lab it's just going to be 1 centimeter path length.